In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your iPhone for a virus. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you're gonna know that, let me be honest with you, iPhone and iOS itself is a very secure system. So you got a very little chance that your iPhone is infected by some virus or some bad software. Of course, I'm talking about iPhones that are not jailbreaked or that are not modified in some other way, in just a stock version, official version of the iOS installed. But if you got some issues, if you got some problems with your iPhone, and to double check if it may be cause some software the reason of your issue, you can go to your app store and you can search for antivirus right here and install some of that software like McAfee, Kaspersky, Dr. Web, and maybe ESET. There are four the most popular antivirus system. You can install any of that application and then check your device if some virus is on your iPhone. One more thing that can be happen that you can check. Just look at your screen and find some applications that you don't installed. It may happen in some cases. Just look here and keep remember if you installed all that applications, and if you find any app you don't install, just delete that app like that. Tap and hold, tap on delete, confirm, and then reboot your device and check if this app will appear here again. And if that situation will happen, so you probably get some virus, get some problem, some software, some application that you installed. And if that will happen, so probably you got some problem, maybe some virus on your iPhone, and in that case you better do a reset to your factory settings on your device, because that is not normal. Any applications can't be installed without your permission. And there is one more way that you can check. It's when your iPhone is heat too much, when it's not in use, when it's just lay on the table. You can take your phone, check if it's hot. It probably makes because some software is working right there at the moment, and it probably says that there are some software, and it may say to you that probably there are some software, bad software installed on your iPhone. And again, you can check if it's true. Just install some antivirus software using your App Store. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.